guys, it's Nikki here with LifestyleDIYW and welcome to another Dollar Tree Easter DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple, easy Dollar Tree banner for your mantle or even your windowsill from all Dollar Tree products. So let's get started because this one should be simple and easy, and of course I had to use buffalo plaid to just give it that pop that it really truly needed, and I was so in love with it. Look how it looks on my mantle. I love it, and my mantle is not easy. So I have the wood carrot pieces from Dollar Tree, the beads from Dollar General. I have some of those little bunny packets that they have as well as Dollar Tree. So I really call this that type of DIY. I did not want to, call it like a Dollar General, only because I was just taking a few beads off those garlands. So the first thing you do is open up those little bunny packets and you want to split them down the sides. Do not cut them because the size of the carrots are just about an inch a little bit bigger, so you're gonna have to make it sideways so you can get the full picture on the carrot. Luckily I had already a garland that was painted, so I just used the light brown wood beads off the garlands from Dollar General, and I used the white and pink beads from the other one that I had. So just basically trace out the carrot on that material on the back of it. Do not trace it on the face of the bunny because then you're going to see that line. And then you take your hot glue gun and you glue it down, and it comes out pretty much perfect. I just cut maybe a little bit more than what the trace is, so that way it can kind of fold over the back of the carrot. No one is going to see the back of the wood carrot, so that's fine. You have no issues with that. Now the next step is really just separating the amount of beads that you want in each section of the banner. So I have 4 beads in each section. So it's going to go 4 beads, then a carrot, 4 beads, then a carrot. Now once the little paint dries at the top of the carrot, we're going to string along the carrots and the beads so you can just see really what it looks like. It's not a hard DIY. There's only a few steps and it comes out really cute and quick, and something easy for you to do with any of the wood ornaments or whatever that they have at Dollar Tree. Like, that's a good thing that they're creating that, because it just makes it easy to make DIYs out of wood pieces. So once you finish tracing all the other carrots that you want to add, now I only had 5, so that's the amount that I used. I did not, go out and buy any more supplies. And so I just made it, it's kind of really like a small banner that kind of like drapes in the middle of your mantle, as you see mine in the pictures in the intro. So once you have all your carrots done and it's dry, you want to put 4 beads. You want to make a little knot on the first part of the string. So as much as you cut off, you make a knot every other set of 4 beads, so that way the beads don't slide back and forth and they don't push the carrots to look awkward when it hangs. So thank God that did not happen. So as we string the beads along and you tie your buffalo plaid ribbon or whatever kind of ribbon you want to use, here it is, the Dollar Tree Easter Bunny Beaded Banner DIY. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and I hope you have a wonderful Easter. Thanks for watching. LifestyleDIYW. Bye.